my dear students, myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor in Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College in ECE Department Ghaziabad. So, earlier I took your lectures of digital signal processing of third year. Its AKTU code is KEC 503. Now, I am presenting today lecture number 4, that is IIR filter realization. So, IIR filter realization is concerned with the structures, how you make the structure in IIR. Earlier, I talked about the digital signal processing basics, introduction, its need, its applications and so on. So, in detail I discuss this one. Okay. Next, in next lecture I discuss about the realization, what is the meaning of realization, how you make the structures and so on. Now, if we come on our next slide, that is IR filter realization. तो आपके दो तरह के फिल्टर डिजिटल होते हैं, एक होता है IIR फिल्टर, ये वो फिल्टर है जिसका इम्पल्स रिस्पॉन्स लाई करता है, ओके, एग्जिस्ट करता है फॉर इनफाइनाइट ड्यूरेशन, और यू कैन से h of n is equal to a to the power n into un whenever n is greater than or equal to 0. So, that is the case of IIR, infinite duration impulse response digital system or digital filter. Similarly, FIR or digital filter, that is finite duration impulse response digital filter. So, in this case, if your h of n exists for finite value, like its value is equal to k, whenever your length of the filter it is between 0 to m minus 1. Okay. So, this will be the your IIR filter, FIR filter, sorry. So, in this way you can categorize your digital filter into two ways, like IIR and FIR. At first we see IIR filter realization. So, there are these methods for realization in IIR, like direct form 1 and direct form 2 structures realization, cascade realization, parallel realization and ladder realization. In this realization, the most important technique is your direct form 1 and direct form 2. Why? Because direct form 1 and direct form 2 is the basic structure realization. If you understand about the direct form 1 and direct form 2, then it will be easy to you understand another type of realization. So, at first I will teach you about the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization, how you make the structure using direct form 1 and using direct form 2. So, in direct form 1, earlier I told you in direct form 1 always you have to keep at first non-recursive structure and after that recursive structure. So, non-recursive means what? It means you are taking the present and past value of input signal, and recursive means you are taking the past value of output signal. So, in this way non-recursive and recursive structure will be there. Now, in non-recursive, okay. So, you can see in this structure the first part shows the non-recursive and second part shows the recursive structure. How? You can see here you are giving the input of x of n and it will be delayed by this single delay element and you will get the value of x n minus 1. Similarly, again and it will be go through this multiplier of P1. Similarly, here your single input will go to and add by this adder with the coefficient of P0. Similarly, again your signal is delayed by one sample and you will get here x n minus 2 and it will go through this multiplier P2 and added through this adder, and this signal will go this adder and this signal will go to this adder. Similarly, you are delaying your element. So, here again you delay your element, delay your signal, delay your input signal, then you will get x n minus 3. Now, this x n minus 3 or your delayed signal by 3 sample with this P 3 coefficient will be added through this adder and it will go to the this one. So, in this way this first form shows the non-recursive structure. Why? Because you are taking here present value of input signal and past value of input signal. Similarly, here in this second structure it is recursive. Why? Because here this is your input and this is your output. Now, you are taking the past value of output signal, like if it is y of n. Now, this y of n passes through this delay element. So, you will get here what? Y n minus 1, and through this multiplier, that is minus d 1. Why I am taking the minus here? Because you are taking here feedback, past value of output signal. So, if you are going into the backward direction, so sign will be the minus. Okay. That is why minus sign will be taken. Further, if we see the some examples, then it is more clear to all of you ki why we are taking. These are the some coefficient and you can take as per the given difference equation. Okay. No issue. Again y of n minus 2, again your output is delayed by one sample, and through this multiply it will go to the adder and this will go this adder and this will go this adder. Okay. Similarly, here again your output is delayed by one sample and you will get here y of n minus 3 and through this multiplier, okay, and this coefficient it will go to this adder. So, this structure is recursive because you are taking the past value of output signal, and first structure is non-recursive because you are taking the past value of input signal. So, in direct form 1 always you have to keep first as a non-recursive and second step will be the recursive. यदि इसी को आपको डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 से करना होता तो ये सब आपका अपोजिट हो जाता. इन डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 recursive, in direct form 2 at first recursive structure will be there and after that you have to put non-recursive structure. So, if this structure is interchanged then it will be direct form 2. So, I hope it is clear to everybody what is the meaning of direct form 1 and direct form 2. So, this diagram shows the direct form 1 structure only. Now, I am writing in this PPT the direct form 1 structure is non-canonic. Why? As it employs the 6 delays, it means 6 storage or delay element to realize the third order transfer function. Because this structure that you are seeing in PPT, it is for third order digital system, third order difference equation, but you are using here 6 delay elements. How many? 6 delay elements. Okay. So, for realizing the third order difference equation, third order system, you need 6 delay elements, double, just double delay elements you require. And why it is non-canonic? Non-canonic, canonic and non-canonic, the difference you should be clear. आपको डिफरेंस क्लियर होना चाहिए. कैनोनिक का मतलब होता है whenever your order of the system, that is given in terms of your difference equation, if it is equal to the number of delay elements, so always your structure is canonic. So, canonic का मतलब ये होता है, what is the meaning of canonic? If your order of the system, so here your order of system is 3, if it is equal to the number of delay elements that you are using to realize your system, so it will be canonic, otherwise it will be non-canonic. So, you can see in this structure your order of system is what? Your n is equal to here 3, but you are required delay element is equal to 6. it means your n is not equal to d. That is why it is this structure is called non-canonic. And always your direct form 1 realization, direct form 1 structure for IR filter is non-canonic structure. Why? Because in this case your number of delay element is not equal to the your order of the digital filter system. Okay. And that is given always in the form of difference equation. Now, in next slide. Now, this is the question, and in this question you have to realize your structure for this given difference equation using the direct form 1. Okay. So, direct form 1 के लिए सबसे पहले हमें Hz चाहिए. Okay. So, this is all your difference equation in discrete time domain. So, at first you have to take the Z transform both the sides. If you take the Z transform both the sides, then it will be equal to the, if you take the Z transform y of n, it will be y of z is equal to, its Z transform will be the 0.5 z to the power minus 1 into y of z minus 0.76 z to the power minus 2 into y of z plus 0.63 z to the power minus 3 into y of z plus x z plus 0.875 z to the power minus 1 into x of z. So, if you take, because what क्या चाहते हो आप, ये चाहते हो कि इस डिफरेंस इक्वेशन से एच जेड आपको मिल जाए. एच जेड क्या होता है? एच जेड इज द ट्रांसफर और सिस्टम फंक्शन ऑफ द सिस्टम. यदि आपको एच जेड मिल जाएगा तो उससे आपकी सब चीज़ें निकालना आसान हो जाएंगी. सो एन एच जेड इज इक्वल टू वॉट? एच जेड इज इक्वल टू होता है वाई जेड अपॉन एक्स जेड. सो you have to separate the terms of y z and x z. So, if you take the common y of z here, so it will be 1 minus 0.5 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.76 z to the power minus 2 minus 0.63 z to the power minus 3 is equal to x of z into what? 1 plus 0.875 z to the power minus 1. So, this structure will be there. Now, what you want? You want to calculate h of z, and that is equal to the y z upon x z. Okay. So, h z is equal to what? You know, h z is equal to क्या होता है? y z upon x z. सो यदि यहाँ पे हम वाई जेड अपॉन एक्स जेड निकालना चाहते हैं, सो क्या होगा? एच जेड इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 0.875 जेड टू द पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन 1 माइनस 0.5 जेड इनवर्स प्लस 0.76 जेड टू द पावर माइनस 2 माइनस 0.63 z to the power minus 3. So, this is your final required transfer or system function for this particular system. Now, you have to realize this system by using direct form 1. You know, if you are having the h of z, so some numerator part, this is your numerator, it means n of z, and this is your denominator, it means d of z. Okay. So, numerator part always shows the what? Non-recursive term. Always, if you are having the h of z, so always your numerator part shows the non-recursive term, and your denominator part always shows the recursive term. So, if you want to realize direct form 1 here, so direct form 1 में क्या होगा? पहला non-recursive और फिर recursive. यदि आपको स्ट्रक्चर बनानी है तो पहला हमारा क्या? नॉन रिकर्सिव, मतलब ये वाली चीज लेंगे हम, क्या आएगा? प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ इनपुट सिग्नल एंड पास्ट वैल्यू ऑफ इनपुट सिग्नल. सो यू कैन सी हियर प्रेजेंट वैल्यू ऑफ इनपुट सिग्नल with the coefficient of 1. Is it okay? Now, you will take past value and with the coefficient of 0.875, this one. x n minus 1. So, this is your non-recursive part in direct form 1. Similarly, if you can see here, this is your recursive part. Now, 1 simple coefficient, now minus 0.5 plus 0.76 and minus 0.63. So, here what in your h of z, your coefficients are minus 0.5 plus 0.76 and minus 0.63, but whenever you realize your structure, then it will be your sign will be the negative. Okay. So, it means if there it was minus 0.5, so here it will be plus 0.5. So, simple y of n. So, for the first delay element it will be plus 0.5, there it was plus 0.76. So, here it will be minus 0.7. So, sign will be interchange, it will be opposite. If in the h of z it was positive, so here it will be negative and vice versa. Similarly, here it will be 0.63. So, this is your recursive. Why? Because you are taking the past value of output signal with these coefficients, okay, with these opposite coefficients, because you are taking the feedback element, memory elements. Now, direct form 2. Okay. So, here what I told you this will be direct form 1 structure. Why? Because at first you are putting the non-recursive and after that you are putting the recursive structure. But if you want to rely by direct form to this one, so the only difference is what? The h of z is same for all the direct form 1 and direct form 2. Only difference is that in direct form 2 what? At first your recursive structure will be there, after that non-recursive. The system is same, but in direct form 2 में आपको पहले recursive structure रखना है, फिर non-recursive रखना है. जबकि direct form 1 में आप क्या कर रहे थे, पहले आप non-recursive रखते थे, फिर recursive रखते थे. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, बस this structure will be here and this structure will be here and you have direct form 2 structure. So, it is very simple, it is very simple and you can realize easily your structure by using direct form 1 and direct form 2. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now, if we talk about the direct form 2 structure. So, in direct form 2 structure, if you what I am writing in my PPT, if you are interchanging the direct form 1 okay, steps, then you will get the direct form 2. Similarly, if you are interchanging the direct form 2 steps, then you will get direct form 1. So, these are the direct form 1 and direct form 2. In direct form 2, poles of h of z are realized first and zeros, after that the zeros will be realized. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? It means what? h of z is given to you in direct form and h of z always in h of z. जब भी h of z आपके पास होगा, एक n of z होगा numerator और एक क्या होगा, d of z denominator होगा. Numerator always shows the non-recursive term and denominator always shows the recursive term. And numerator जो होता है उसका जो solution है वो हमें क्या देता है, zeros, और पोल्स का सॉल्यूशन हमको क्या देता है, डिनोमिनेटर का सॉल्यूशन क्या देता है, पोल्स. तो ये हमको देता है जीरोस और ये हमको देता है पोल्स. सो इन डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 पहले हमको रियलाइज करना है या अरेंज करना है किसको, पोल्स को, और फिर किसको करना है, जीरोस को. तो वही बोला गया है इन डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 पोल्स ऑफ एच ऑफ जेड. एच ऑफ जेड में जो भी पोल हैं जो कहाँ से मिलेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर के पार्ट से मिलेंगे, उनको पहले रखना है और आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कीप व्हाट, योर जीरोस. सो दैट विल बी डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 structure. Now, if h of z is given to you, so you have to break up this h of z into 2 parts. What? H of z is equal to h1 z into h2 z. it means all the poles and all the zeros. So, sequence will be same, the sequence will be same. At first we have to put all the poles and after that we have to put all the zeros. Okay. So, it is okay to everybody, I hope this one. So, again if the equation is now I am breaking, this is your H 1 z, this is your H 2 z and your H of z was what it will be? It will be what? this होगा, ऐसे ही होगा, हमने ब्रेक किया है तो उसको किस फॉर्म में होगा? ये समेशन ऑफ के 0 टू m बी के इंटू जेड की पावर माइनस ऑफ के अपॉन 1 माइनस समेशन ऑफ के 1 टू n ए के इंटू जेड की पावर माइनस ऑफ के. इफ h ऑफ z इज दिस, नाउ दिस विल यूर व्हाट, पहले रिकर्सिव आएगा तो ये h1z हो गया, फिर नॉन रिकर्सिव आएगा ये h2z हो गया. तो इस तरह से आपने h1z और h2z ले लिया. दिस इज फॉर द रिकर्सिव, दिस इज फॉर द नॉन रिकर्सिव एंड यू कैन सॉल्व दिस इन सिंपल वे and you will get your structure. At first poles are arranged, after the zeros will be arranged and you will get the direct form 2 structure. Okay, it is more clear from this. Now, we will see here the advantages of direct form 2. What are the advantages? So, direct form 2 it means canonic structure. Since canonic structure is not possible in direct form 1, but it is possible in direct form 2. How? Because in direct form 2, whenever you realize your system, your order of the system is equal to the always your number of delay elements. Like you can see this example. What? In this example, we are realize our structure by using direct form 2. Why? Why I am saying this one? Because you can see here you are taking the past value of output signal. So, this is your recursive. Now, here you are taking the past value of input signal. So, it will be non recursive, but here these two delay elements it is यहाँ पे possible है कि हम जिन दो एलिमेंट को, दो डिले एलिमेंट को एक कर दें तो हमारे इनपुट आउटपुट में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. If we combine these two delay elements into single one like this, so your output will not be disturbed. Similarly, you will, if we combine this one, so it will be this one. Similarly, if you combine in this way into single one, so your two delay elements are converted into single. So, in direct form 2, if you needed delay elements 6, so here your 3 delay elements are sufficient for direct form 2 structure. So, here if you see, if your order of the system is n, capital N, and then your number of delay elements also you require n. So, in direct form 2 में ऐसी पॉसिबिलिटी है कि हम दो डिले को एक कर दें तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. तो अब क्या हो रहा है, हमारा जो डिले एलिमेंट वहाँ पे जहाँ पे n लग रहे थे वहाँ n/2 हो गए, आधे हो गए, और जो ऑर्डर ऑफ सिस्टम जो था वही डिले एलिमेंट के बराबर हो गया. तो डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 में ऐसी पॉसिबिलिटी है, डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 में ऐसी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है, क्योंकि डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 में ऐसा हो ही नहीं पाता है. तो दिस इज द एडवांटेजेस एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टोरेज एलिमेंट्स इट रिक्वायर्स, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड कैनोनिक स्ट्रक्चर. तो इसीलिए हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 को कैनोनिक स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें नंबर ऑफ डिले एलिमेंट इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ द system. So, I hope it is clear to everybody, because it is very important to all of you to understand direct form 1 and direct form 2. It is very important to all of you, and it is the simplest topic of DSP. Now, so direct form 2 with signal flow graph you can also see here, because this is the block diagram of direct form 2. You are converting to 2 delay elements into single one. You can see here by this element you are taking the past value of output signal and past value of input signal by the single element. Since if you realize the same structure by direct form 1, then you needed the 2 delay elements, but here in direct form 2 only single delay element is sufficient for you. Okay. So, this is the block diagram direct form 2 and this is the corresponding signal flow graph for this. Okay. So, signal flow graph is this. Okay. So, nodes, adders you are showing by the nodes and this is the branch, it shows the your delay element and some source node input and some node will be there in terms of output. Now, basic structure of direct form 1, this is the basic structure, you can see here this is your non recursive term and this is your recursive and this is you can see here this is the basic structure. In this it is not possible to combine the delay element. देखिए कैसे हो पाएगा, यहाँ पर delay element है और यहाँ पर है, दोनों एक तो हो ही नहीं सकते. So, it cannot be canonic structure. That is why we say always your direct form 1 is non-canonic structure. Now, this is your direct form 2. So, here it is possibility because delay element आपके दोनों पास होते हैं, आप उनको एक कर सकते हैं, आपने एक यहाँ किया है this one. So, it will be canonic structure because this is your recursive, this is your non-recursive part. Okay. So, this is your direct form 2. Now, this is the question, you can see here you have to obtain direct form 1 and 2 realization for third order transfer function that is given in the question. This is h of z is given to you. Now, you have to form this h of z into standard form. So, for making a standard form you have to apply some methods. So, if you multiply by 2 into z to minus 3 in numerator and denominator, then you will get the some standard form in terms of z to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then you will get this h of z from this into this h of z. Now, you can realize your structure, this is your direct form 1, this is your direct form 2. In direct form 1, first is non-recursive, you can see here, this is recursive. In this first is recursive, then non-recursive. So, you can see in this equation, okay, your numerator part shows the non-recursive and this shows the recursive. You can see your coefficient 0.56, 0.638, here 0.56, 0.638 and 0.08. Similarly, you can see here your coefficient 0.6, 0.34, minus 0.4, but it will be reversed because you are analyzing into the feedback form. So, it will be opposite here in recursive term. Now, this is your direct form 1, in direct form 2 में क्या होगा, ये दोनों आपस में इंटरचेंज हो जाएंगे. ओके तो अब रिकर्सिव ये बन जाएगा, या नॉन रिकर्सिव बन जाएगा एंड कोफिशिएंट विल बी द सेम एज द योर गिवन ट्रांसफर फंक्शन इक्वेशन. So, in this way you can realize the direct form 1 and direct form 2 structure. Now, your canonic and non-canonic structure, that also I told in this lecture. Canonic structure मतलब क्या है, whenever your number of delay elements is equal to the order of the system, then your structure will be canonic. So, direct form 2 structure always your what, canonic structure. क्यों, क्योंकि इसमें आपके नंबर ऑफ डिले एलिमेंट्स जो होते हैं वो ऑर्डर ऑफ द सिस्टम और ऑर्डर ऑफ द ट्रांसफर फंक्शन के हमेशा बराबर होते हैं. सिंस योर डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 इज व्हाट, नॉन कैनोनिक स्ट्रक्चर. सो आई होप in my this lecture you understand about the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization in IIR digital filter. Now, you can realize easily direct form 1 and direct form 2 structures. Thank you very much. Now, you can easily solve these because these are the very basic methods to all of you. You should know perfectly, then you can realize any system, any order of equation easily, and you can do the realization in IIR digital filter. Thank you very much.